Hey there, welcome to BizStack, where we demystify tech solutions for your business. Today, we're diving into the world of online video content. Specifically, how do you embed a YouTube or Vimeo video on your website that's responsive and works beautifully across all browsers? Stay tuned for some simple steps to keep your audience glued to your site. Now, we've all faced the frustration of videos not fitting correctly on different devices. It can turn an engaging experience sour fast. That's why it's crucial to make your embedded videos responsive. Wonder how? Let's get right into it. The trick is all in the CSS. You'll need to set up a responsive video embed container code in your CSS file. And just like that, you ensure the video maintains a 16:9 aspect ratio and resizes proportionally with the container. It's a game changer that'll prevent your videos from being cut off or looking awkward on different devices. Next step, embed the video itself. Insert a simple HTML snippet, replacing the example video ID with your chosen YouTube or Vimeo video ID. Make sure it's within your new responsive container. If you've done everything right, your video should look perfect on mobile, desktop, or tablet screens. Using WordPress? Just paste the CSS snippet into the additional CSS in the customizer. Then, add the HTML directly to the page or post editor. For other CMS platforms, like Joomla or Drupal, it's pretty similar. Add the CSS to your theme's custom file and paste the HTML code in your content area. And remember, the secret sauce is the video ID, make sure it's the right one. So just like that, you've made your embedded videos responsive and compatible across any browser. No more cut-off videos or frustrated viewers. Before we wrap up, ever tried embedding a video and faced issues we didn't cover here? Drop a comment below and let's troubleshoot together. And if you're hungry for more tips like these, visit our blog at bizstack.tech or watch our related videos for deep dives into tech solutions that empower your business. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with others. Embedding success awaits, and you're just a click away. See you next time on BizStack.